Get set for a fun game of Would You Rather. Make tough choices about exciting things to do to celebrate Earth Day. Ready to pick between awesome options? Let the fun begin. Round 1. Would you rather plant a tree or grow a garden full of colorful flowers? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 2. Would you rather go on a nature hike and pick up trash along the way, or have a picnic using reusable plates and utensils? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 3. Would you rather make a bird feeder to help feed the birds, or build a bug hotel to give insects a safe place to stay? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 4. Would you rather spend the day making crafts out of recycled materials, or learn about different ways to conserve water at home? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 5. Would you rather ride your bike or scooter to the park instead of asking for a ride in the car? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 6. Would you rather have a reusable water bottle or a reusable shopping bag to take with you wherever you go? Do the matching dance of your choice.
Robot Nation. Robot Nation. Robot Nation. Robot Nation.
Round 7. Would you rather learn about recycling and composting, or discover how to save energy by unplugging electronics when they are not in use? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 8. Would you rather use natural materials like leaves and sticks to make art, or use recycled materials like paper and cardboard? Do the matching dance of your choice. Would you rather have a day to clean up a local park with your friends or learn about endangered animals and how you can help protect them? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 10. Would you rather have a special Earth Day celebration where you plant a tree and release ladybugs into the garden, or have a nature scavenger hunt to discover the wonders of the outdoors? Do the matching dance of your choice. Thank you for playing. Subscribe to Mr. Alonso for more fun games.